Welcome. And today's is the CKD mock question number 2. So here the question is deploy the Neopod pod into the cluster using the provided YAML spec file, which is placed at particular this location. If I'll go to this location, there is no file. So we have to create it. But in examination, it will be ready for you. So retrieve all currently available application logs from the running pod and store them in the file. Retrieve all currently available application logs from the running pod and store them into the file var log pod etc, which has already be created. It is always useful to look at the resources your application are consuming in a cluster. And second task is from the pod running in the namespace CPU stress, write the name only of the pod that is consuming the most CPU to file, and that location is this, which is already been created. So first of all, I need to create this YAML file and CPU. Okay, so need to get the CPU of most utilized into this file. Okay, so we need to prepare a scenario. For that, we need to first need a matrix servers to be installed. So let's get started with the matrix server. So this question includes workload and scheduling and observability. So first we'll install the matrix server and then we'll create Neopod YAML, then we'll create a stress pod, and then we'll start solving our question. So I'll try to create this scenario and share you in the comment box, but at the time of recording that scenario is not available. So first let's check the matrix server is installed or not. So we already have a matrix server installation video, but then also we are installing here. So I'll install here, no issue. We'll all share these documents. So first applying in killer coda, we need to patch it also. Why it is showing this paste? Okay, it's now I need to patch this. Wait for the matrix server rollout to complete. So deployment matrix server successfully rolled out. This type of message should we expect. Yes, now verify matrix API availability is there or not. So yes, it's available. Now we need to create this YAML file. So I'll go to the home and there I will create neopod.yaml. So I'll copy this file. No worries, this will be available to you. Here is a simple application that is logging, and here it is logging in 1 second. So and k apply -f neopod.yaml. Sorry, it's a home directory, so I need to define home directory. So pod is created. I'm doing a silly mistake, no issue. Then I had to create a stress pod. So I'll create a namespace first. So k namespace stress. So inside that namespace, I have to create that pod. So vi yaml. So I'll wq, I will apply. So pod is created. So all the necessary things is already created. Now let's start to solve the question. So first get pods. So neopod is running, and we can vi or cat vi neopod vi/home. So here the name is neopod, so we are targeting the same pod. So kubectl logs neopod, and I want to redirect it to /var/log and pod hyphen log dot txt. So cat var log pod cd var log pod. So here is the things. So it is done. Now I have to go to the next part. So I want to get the max consuming the most CPU of the file. So matrix server is installed. So here is utilization file. Here it is not created, so we will create it, no issue. But if it is already there, you can modify that file. So first k get ns, you will find that the CPU stress ns is already there. So k get pods hyphen n CPU stress. So there are the two pods. So I'll top, so kubectl top pods hyphen n CPU stress. So this is the name of that. So just echo this pod name, top pods hyphen n CPU stress. So this is the name of that pod. So just echo this pod name. redirected to /var/log/pod -log text log -utilization. Try to copy because typo mistake may eat your efforts. So cat /var log pod -log -utilization. So stress pod 1 is there. So that's it. So what we have done, we have created block production pod, which is a part of scenario. We have deployed it, which is also part of scenario. Then we get the log in the text file, which is our question, and then log and for text task 2, matrix server we have installed, which is a part of scenario. 2 pods we have deployed, that is part of scenario. Then we have identified which is the most utilizing or consuming CPU, and we have given that in that particular file. So thank you so much for your love and support, and stay tuned. There is a lot of interesting things here. Thank you so much.